Worry pretends to be necessary, but serves no purpose.
I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know it's got a hold.
This is a quote from Eckhart Tolle. Eckhart Tolle is a German spiritual self-help teacher who has written a lot of books and inspired many people.
If you look into the distance, there's a house up on the hill, guiding like a lighthouse to a place where you'll be safe.
What this quote means is much as it might be necessary at times to worry, because it might be a reflex action, but it's also wise to remember that it will serve no purpose. We all know that worry comes only when there is sad situations. Either when something has already happened or when you're speculating something bad to happen in the future. But Eckhart Tolle is telling us that it serves no purpose. So this one means instead of worrying alone, you need to also add into thinking of options to solve it, or even trying to implement the options of your thoughts to solve a problem. Because when you only sit and worry, at the end of it all, you will have solved nothing. It's like just sitting and watching at the situation. To worry may even block you from thinking. But at times in life, worry is unavoidable, much as it does not score anything on our card. Thanks to Eckhart Tolle.